Hello guys, welcome to a Mobi YouTube channel. Sometime your iPhone may stuck on the restore screen after a failed update. Then it's not easy to resolve this issue. So in today's video I'll discuss about how you can easily fix iPhone stuck on restore screen. Here in the first method, if your iPhone is stuck on restore screen, then just take your device and hit volume up button, then volume down button, and then hold the power button until Apple logo is shown. After that, just put your password to start your iPhone. If this method won't work for you, then you can use the second method. Here in the second method, just take your iPhone and connect it to iTunes. Here you got a pop-up to update or restore your device. Here just hit restore option, and it will start downloading. But keep in mind that in this method you will lose your data, and to prevent that you can use method third. Here in the third method, just download any fix from description and connect your iPhone via USB. Then hit repair now option. Then hit start now and choose standard repair, then hit download now option, and it will take some time to download the files. After that, hit the start system repair option and your device repair starts. Thanks for watching the video, and make sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel and leave a comment if you have any query.